Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Duet option on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open TikTok. Now go to your profile page on the bottom right corner. Tap on the video that you had uploaded. Click on three horizontal dots in the bottom right corner. And here you can see the privacy settings option. Click on it. When you scroll down, you can see the Allow Duet option. Now disable the option by tapping on the button. And that is how you can disable Duet option on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.